We just found out there's a POP MART vending machine in the mall near our house. So
let's run there as fast as we can, baby!
we just got back from the mall.
We went to POP MART Vending machine?
Who knew you could get toys, not just candy and donuts?
Yeah, I know.
Check out our haul. This is what we got. 4 different kinds. They had one classic Labubu, but it was to the side and fallen, so we couldn't even buy it if we wanted to. So first we have a Lotso Love You Toy Story.
Then we have the Monsters Coca-Cola Labubu.
Then we have Lazy Yoga.
Then we have Mickey.
This is the one I picked. Childhood of Boundless Imagination.
So let's get opening. Which one should we start with?
Here. Close your eyes. Pick one. Just put your hand out. Open it up.
Okay, so we're gonna first be opening the Mickey.
Let me show what we get for options. Here's the choices.
I want the cake Mickey or the rainbow hard candy.
Ooh, I think they're all slay, dude.
Like, oh, it's hard. I'm not joking. If you try to open it, I bet you open it.
This is what she's looking at.
So, got a plastic bag, but I'm going to show you guys first.
Still wrapped.
Oh, okay.
Beverage Mickey!
This is so,
Boom, boom.
so slay. So pretty. So slay.
Okay, then do I get to open one?
Yep.
All right. Hold them out as a surprise. Ready?
Yep.
Are they down low? Right. Oh, Coca-Cola.
It's like that.
It's gonna be another beverage. You said this is really hard. You said I dare you to open it. Let's see.
But it was the Disney one. It was a...
It's the same box.
You didn't show that, yes.
Oh, here are our choices of what we can get. It's not fully open, so.
I want the mystery or a little snowman. I don't know.
I'm going surf with me. I hope we get surf with me because I love snowboarding, surfing, skateboarding, all the board sports, dude. Let's see. You keep looking at those little packs. Oh my gosh! We got it! Boombastic.
Tie-dye.
We got him. So cool. So which one do you want to open next? We'll do a surprise for... We can do the surprise for you. So Mariam can pick between Lazy Yoga and Lotso Bear. I think we should do rock... Every time.
Let's see.
Fishing monster guy. What is he called? What is he titled? Oh, he's called Look What I Found. Coca-Cola. All right, we're gonna rock, paper, scissors for this. Rules are, if I win, I get to pick. If she wins, she gets to pick. I bet you can't guess which one I'm gonna pick. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh, that hurt.
Oh wait, I won.
Yeah, you won. You get to pick. You going?
Yoga. I love yoga. I used to call it when I was little, baby Yoda. Baby yoga?
Baby yogurt.
Baby yogurt. Okay, so I want little bird, show off, or sleeping, or sweating, or mystery.
Ab roller's hilarious. I don't even know they made these anymore. Check them out.
There's something in here. There's a few things in here.
It's ab roller. Is it ab roller? Ah!
We got a little mat here. So
It's gonna be ab roller.
we have a mat here. Let's see. It's an ab roller.
Yes.
Look at the eyes.
It is ab roller. I thought he had like a machine.
We're here.
It's on his feet. From the 90s. I get to open the one I've been wanting to open, Lotso. Smells like strawberries. Okay, I think Lotso is the only villain in Toy Story who doesn't end up with like a family at the end. Even that farmer guy who's like really a bad villain, he ends up with a little girl.
Yes.
Yeah. And Lotso ends up on a garbage truck with, I'm pretty sure, Sid. Let us know in the comments what you think. You said it's hard. I gotta use my teeth. Miriam's favorite part of all of these. She's like, oh my gosh, they're so cool.
Oh, we didn't show which one we wanted. I want Baking with Love, Secret Admirer, Romantic Hide, or Sweet Call. Romantic Hide! Where's Lotso? Where's my Lotso baby?
I thought we got duped.
Ready, let's open it.
What if it's not even Lotso?
What if it's Woody?
That actually would be kind of. Oh, he's tiny.
Sleeping.
Gotta get the balance in there. There he is.
Look what I found in the yoga one.
Oh my gosh. Overall, what a good haul. And we had no idea that they had a POP MART vending machine in Minneapolis. Well, it's at Roseville Mall. Pretty close to us. They have 2 of them.
It's Kibity.
So we're gonna go get more of these. They're pretty fun. These things are terrifying.
How are Labubas terrifying?
This thing's gonna roll. That's not terrifying. Look at.
Okay, the eyes are kind of scary.
Mesmerizing.
Make sure to subscribe and smash those buttons like your Hulk. But don't break your phone.
Adios.
Amigos.